Welcome. My name is Robert Farmelo, the best English tutor in the world. This is the Learn English Now website, Learning English Resources. I want to show you how to use this particular lesson. Do you want to learn more English vocabulary? Is it hard to remember English words? Have you ever had that experience where you're wondering, hey, what's that English word? If I could tell you in my own language, no problem. Can't remember the right word. This website lesson is going to show you how to learn more English vocabulary and how to learn more English vocabulary to remember words in English. The way we're going to do this is by using a top 2,265 word list. Let's click on this link. Here we are at the website, top 2,000 vocabulary words. In fact, on this list, there are 2,265 words in spoken English. Let's find the list. What I want you to do is go through the list one word at a time. Identify the words you do not know, and identify the words that you're not so sure of the meaning or how to use the English word correctly. Let's take, for example, the most common word used in English conversation. Remember, this list represents the words that are the most frequently used words in an English conversation. Let's take a look at this word, the. When we have the website open, you're going to see how to use the with example sentences. You're going to see a bunch of different sentences that you can use. The dog is friendly. The cup is empty. The chair is uncomfortable. Not only that, but you can substitute the words that are in the little parentheses. The cat is friendly. The man is friendly. The woman is friendly. Not only that, but you can click on the blue highlighted sentence.
The dog is friendly.
And you're going to hear a recorded audio
The cup is empty.
featuring
We painted the walls.
examples of how to say the English words correctly, how to pronounce every word.
I fell off the stool.
Just like that. Okay, so you have the list of words. You know that you can click on the words and you're going to see many examples. And you know that what I want you to do is go through the list and find the words that you're not sure of and that you just don't know the meaning of. Right? Right. Next, we're going to use a method that will help you to remember the English words that you're learning. It's called Spaced Repetition System to learn English vocabulary. It is, bar none, the most powerful way you're going to be able to learn and remember English words.